Welcome back to Backyard Barbecue. Today we're making pulled pork, so stick around, it's going to be fantastic. So this is actually the night before the cook. We're going to go ahead and put the rub on. I'm going to go ahead and use Worcestershire sauce as a binder. Doesn't take much. Today I'm trying something new. I'm going to use Meat Church's honey bacon barbecue rub. Give this a try. If you guys have had it before, let me know in the comments what you guys think about it. And go ahead and put that seasoning on very liberally, guys. That's a huge chunk of meat, it can handle it. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. We'll stick it in the fridge overnight. Welcome back to 6 a.m. guys. Let's get this pork butt on. Smoker set at 225. So the pork butt's on the smoker. I'm expecting to take about 8 hours or so, maybe up to 9. We may spritz it, we may not. I haven't decided. Probably going to wrap it. We'll do that at the 160 mark. Stick around, this thing's gonna be so good. 0% chance of rain. 0. Alright guys, this has been about 5 hours since the last time you saw me. I went ahead and spritzed it a couple of times. I didn't show that on the video. It was pouring down rain, as you guys saw. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off, wrap it up, and stick it back in the smoker. When you wrap it, you can put apple cider vinegar in there with a mixture of water. You can just put apple cider vinegar. You can put honey. You can put brown sugar. You can add pretty much any spices and stuff that you want. I went ahead and actually wrapped it plain. I wanted to see how it turns out without adding anything at all. Some people don't wrap at all, and they come out great. So I wanted to see what happens here. So the pork butt is at 205 degrees. I've already probed it. It is butter tender, so I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in a cooler with some towels and let it rest for at least 2 hours. You can let it go for 3 or 4 if you'd like, just whenever you wanna eat, but at least 2 hours. So it has been resting for 2 hours now, guys. We're gonna go ahead and take it out of the cooler, put it in this here pot, and start pulling it. Now, just because it's been sitting in there for 2 hours, don't think that it's cooled down. It is super hot still. See how hot it still is? All that steaming. Now you can either keep it in the juices like I have it here, or you can put it on a table and not have so much juice and fat in it, but I like to keep it in its juices. Here's the bone. That's perfectly clean. Now you can start pulling. I just like to use 2 tongs. It comes right apart. Perfect. You can use your fingers for this once it cools down. And now guys, for my favorite part, the tasting. Oh, it's gonna be so good. What do you think?
Amazing. Don't forget to like and share.
Thanks for watching, guys.